Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to delete a sent message from your chat on Instagram. Whether you've made a typo or simply changed your mind, knowing how to remove messages is essential. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your home feed. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon resembles a paper plane or lightning bolt and is usually located in the upper right corner. Tap on it to access your direct messages. Now that you're in your inbox, it's time to find the chat that contains the message you want to delete. Scroll through your conversations until you locate the specific chat. Once you've found it, tap on it to open the conversation. Inside the chat, locate the message you wish to delete. This could be a recent message or something from earlier in the conversation. Once you've identified it, simply click and hold on it until a menu appears at the bottom of your screen. From this menu, select Delete for you. This option allows you to remove the message from your view without affecting what the other person sees. Finally, you'll need to confirm this step. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure about deleting the message. Confirm your choice, and voila! The message has been successfully removed from your chat. Remember, while this action deletes the message for you, it does not erase it from the recipient's chat history. If they've already seen it, there's no way to take that back. In conclusion, deleting a sent message on Instagram is straightforward and can help keep your chats tidy. Just follow these simple steps. Open the app, access messages, find your chat and message, hold to delete, and confirm. Thanks for tuning in today. Happy chatting.